With the second coming of Ayo Fayose, I think Fayose is back to settle some scores. And for those who have been following news, you would know that Fayose has been causing quite some rancor in Ekiti State. We want to check the beating up of judges even before he was sworn in, and the controversial statements he made on his inauguration about having an office for stomach infrastructure. Also, there were allegations that he has a hand in the death of one of the lawmakers in the State House of Assembly. And I think Fayose, knowing Fayose the man he was during his first tenure, we know he's a man who is of questionable character to a large extent. I don't want to give details, but we know of instances where he has been accused of alcoholism and some other kinds of vices in the society. So I think the people of Ekiti can expect a tough time because they have voted him in and they should be ready to bear the consequence of their action. Thank you very much.
Well, Ayo Fayose's second coming can best be described as magic and miracle. Magic in the sense that he emerged victorious when nobody gave him a chance, whereby he defeated the high and mighty in the premise of the People Democratic Party, which was on June 20, and by he won in the 16 local councils in the state. And a miracle in the sense that although it was won on November 13, 1960, he was impeached on October 16, 2006. And it was on that same October 16, 2004 that he led thousands of Ekiti State residents with drums, trumpets, and singing to the government state house as what is advanced to call triumphant entry. And now he's claiming that he's now a brand new Fayose, whereby he's a man of the people, where the people are free to access or to come to his government, know that he is their landlord, he is their tenant. But there have been apprehension over the peace that the state has enjoyed over the last 4 years during Governor Fayemi's tenure. The people they were apprehensive in the sense that they were thinking, will they be able to sustain this peace? Will they be able to sustain the peace that has been in existence under the Fayemi's office? And they are telling him that this is the time for him to correct all his wrongs and all his past mistakes, which he has done. And some of his fans, they pray that God will help him.
Thank you.